always sunny in a rich man's world. Oh, oh, all the things I could do if I had a little money. It's a rich man's world. It's a rich man's world. A man like that is hard to find,
but I can't get him off my mind.
Ain't it sad?
And if he happens to be free, I bet he wouldn't fancy me.
That's too bad.
So I must leave, I have to go to Las Vegas, Monaco, and win a fortune in a game. My life will never be the same.